If you're new to machine software, this video series will get you started and explain the most important basics. You learn how to navigate the software, how audio signals flow, and how to make your first beat using machine software. Let's start with some house music. It's just perfect to stack some loops, get a vibe, and discover how everything works in a very organic way. In the machine software, you find several sections. The left-hand side, there is the browser, which you can see here. In the lower third, there is a pattern editor. This is where all the notes fly in if you create them here or record them right into a pattern. And up here, you can find the ideas view / the arranger timeline. So it's a little bit like if you want to cook something up, you get something from the fridge, which is the browser over here. You put it on the stove to create a little bit of a meal, and then you put everything together, all the little courses, and create a whole kind of menu up here, which would be your final track or the arrangement that you are working on. You also find a couple of things up here in the header, which are important to know about. It's first of all, the general global menu where you can open up your latest projects that you work on, save projects, export audio, and many more things. There is a little icon here, which you can use to collapse and bring back the browser on the left-hand side to save a little space on your screen. There's a mixer view, which we will get into later in another episode, and the transport section with the play button next to the record, the loop on/off button. Here's a metronome. Here you can change the tempo by just clicking it and going up and down with your cursor. And here also a very important thing for beginners to know, there's a master level fader up here. So whenever you run into situations where machine is too loud, just use this here first in order to preserve your output from clipping. And also there's a power on/off button, which allows you to turn on and off the global audio output of machine software with only one button.